Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ActiveCampaign for customer journey UX design, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with ActiveCampaign, visit the official website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Account or equivalent button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from ActiveCampaign. Open the email and click the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you to the setup page. Here, you will be prompted to enter your first and last name. Fill in your business name if applicable. Proceed to select your preferred time zone. Complete the optional phone number field for account verification. After filling out the necessary information, click on Next. You will be asked about your business goals. Select the options that resonate with your needs. This helps ActiveCampaign tailor your experience. Next, you will choose an appropriate pricing plan. Review the available options and select the one that fits your budget. Input your payment information as required. Confirm your selection to finalize the registration process. Once your account is created, log in with your email and password. You will now be taken to the ActiveCampaign dashboard. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Start by setting up your first customer journey campaign. Leverage tutorials and resources within the platform for guidance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.